Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, getting ready to set up to start testing the 4.5s. But first, I want to bring back Free Tool Friday. And this week on Free Tool Friday, I want to give away this antique Spokeshave, wooden Spokeshave. I featured this in a video in the past, actually 2 videos, and it needs restoration, but the only thing it needs is not difficult, but I'm just not going to have time to do it. It needs an insert put in here to thicken this area, the wear area, so that it meets up with the cutter. All right? It can be a piece of ebony, it can be a piece of rosewood, it could be a piece of brass. All right? And it needs to be fitted and inserted so that when you adjust the cutter down, it matches perfectly with the cutter so you can get that super fine shaving. So if you are interested in trying to win this antique Spokeshave, in the comment section of this video, put in hashtag old spoke, OLDSPOKE. 1 word, 2 words, lowercase, all caps, does not matter. Hashtag old spoke. And then I will select a winner next week, next Friday evening, and post the winner. And so please only enter this if you will commit to restoring it and putting it to work, because I just don't want to see it sit around here doing nothing. And like I said, I'm just not going to have time to get to it. So that's about it for this one. Free Tool Friday is back. This is my own personal tool from my antique collection, and it needs to be restored. Hashtag old spoke in the comments section. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'm wishing you all the best. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.